Changing your primary email on Cin7 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Cin7 account. Access your Cin7 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the user profile menu, often represented by your name or an icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field that displays your current primary email address. Delete the old email and enter your new primary email address. Double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to finalize the update. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Cin7. Following these steps will help you successfully change your primary email.